Hello, everyone. At Bitcot, we are an AI automation company, and we work with both low-code and pro-code solutions. Today, we'll be building a customer support service using a low-code agent tool called Zapier. Let's dive into Zapier Agents. Zapier Agents is a low-code, agentic AI automation platform that empowers users to create AI-powered teammates in plain English. These agents autonomously monitor triggers and perform complex tasks like drafting emails, qualifying leads, and managing support tickets, while connecting with over 7,000 apps and leveraging real-time business data. Let's build a simple customer support agent. We can either create an agent from scratch or use predefined templates with integrated tools. These templates are designed around high-level business use cases. For customized agent creation, we also have Copilot support, where we can simply chat with it and it will build the agent for you. It interacts with the user and collects all the necessary information required to define how the agent should work. Based on the user interaction, it generates step-by-step instructions for the agent and automatically integrates the necessary tools. Now, let me show you the available tools in Zapier. In fact, Zapier supports integrations with over 7,000 apps, giving agents access to a vast ecosystem of tools. Once the agent is created, we can interact with it directly. It can respond to company-related queries, and if a user requests a demo call, the agent will analyze the calendar, coordinate with the user, and schedule a meeting in their preferred slot. I'm opening the calendar to show the event created by our agent. It includes a detailed description from the conversation and the demo call scheduled at the preferred time slot. Thanks. We'll be sharing more insights on AI implementation, so stay tuned for our upcoming videos. If we can support you in any part of your AI and automation journey, don't hesitate to reach out. Connect directly with our CEO at raj@bitcot.com or text him at 858-943-8555. We all love to help you. Thank you.